Hello, welcome to Kim and Oscar's cooking video. Today we're gonna cook ramen. What ingredients we need is chili, scallion, ginger, garlic, egg noodles, lime, chicken stock, and pure sesame oil, white vinegar, soy sauce, and honey. And we need chicken breast.
Okay, so the first step we are gonna do is we're gonna preheat the oven to 165 degrees. So we put it on 170 degrees. Then we take the chicken, who is melt down, and we take some salt and pepper on it. On the both sides, it's very important. And then we finish with some black pepper. Oh, so smart, yes. So now we're just gonna fry the chicken on so it gets a little bit of color. We're just gonna put in the chickens who has fried up into the oven in the middle somewhere. Then we're gonna put it in the oven for like 15-20 minutes. So we put 16 minutes.
So the next step is to peel garlics and gingers. When they are peeled, you need to grate it finely in the grater, and you need 2 tablespoons of ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. And now we're gonna mince the chili pepper finely into small pieces. And now we're gonna fry the chili, the garlic, and ginger for approximately 30 seconds. Just stir it around. Now chop the scallion into small rings, sideways-ish. Now let the ramen soup simmer for about 20 minutes. Now we're gonna put the rest of the scallions in the pot and the sesame oil. Stir it around and let it simmer for 5 more minutes. Cook the water that we already have prepared and put the noodles in the cooking water and let it cook for 5 minutes.
And now when the chicken is ready, we just cut it in slices.
This is how the finished look of the dish. looks like. If you want it, you can have the egg as well, and if also you can sprinkle some of the scallions over like this, and voila.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.